Good morning, this is my iPhone SE, and previously I've done an unboxing and overview, but today we're going to add MagSafe to this. So it has wireless, but unfortunately it doesn't have the centering of MagSafe, so sometimes you can be a little bit off and it won't charge. So what we'll do is to make this MagSafe compatible. The easiest way to do that is to put it in a MagSafe compatible case like this one. So it's got magnets here and here. This one is for the alignment and this is for the orientation. So you simply slip it into the case and then alignment becomes easy. And you can even charge while you're playing. So when you're playing, you normally put your headphones here, so you won't normally be able to charge. But with MagSafe, you should be able to do that. And of course, you can put on other MagSafe accessories like a power bank or a wallet. The other way is by adding this MagSafe ring. So we have this ring and so you have the ring here for alignment, and then you have a small metal piece here for the orientation. So what we'll do is just stick it to the back. So we'll clean it first and then remove the sticker backing and then line it up. So Apple made it easier by putting the Apple logo right in the center. So this is about right. And then the orientation piece. So now it works even without a case. And of course, the battery pack works. As well as the wallet. And that's it. An easy way to add MagSafe to any phone. Thank you for watching.